I ended up grabbing the SANKEMU screen repair tape, and I've used it a lot for my windows today to fix the screen. I had a good size of the roll, and I've already used a good amount of it. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what we did. First, we need to go through and remove what is currently on there, which was a bunch of old tape, and it wasn't doing a good job. So I got rid of that, and then after that, I got the tape out, and I just basically pulled it all the way over. I measured it out, and then I kind of put a little extra, and then I just use a regular scissors to cut it. So how it works is the one side is going to be a little sticky, and the other side's going to have a clear case over it. You want to remove the clear case, and that's the side that's going to go up against the screen. So both sides are going to be a little sticky, but the one will be more. You just want to measure it and try to put it on one side at a time, and just kind of like use your nails to like run down it once you have it the one side measured, and it'll go through and stick automatically. So this window is really bad, so I needed to do another one just to even connect it to the bottom of the frame of the screen. And I'm doing this just to get through to a few more years of these windows before I upgrade. But our dog loves this window and she beats it up. So with this one, I put it on the metal first, and I made sure it was connected to the metal. And then I kind of did the indent next. And then I just attached it to the screen and opened it up a bit just to make sure. And I think it went pretty well. Here's another area that's a complete hole. So for this, all I'm doing is getting a general idea of how much I want. And I'm going to go through and do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and cut it, pull the plastic piece off, and then I'm going to go through and stick it to it. Now, since it's the whole screen there, I'm going to go ahead and also attach it to the metal because there's no screen in the beginning. And you want to make sure you have enough around the sides as well. This is a window that was really bad, and we did a lot of different ones. Spiders kept getting into this window and things like that, so that's not going to happen anymore.